The March of the Mustangs returns, bigger and better than ever before. Our Morrisville Mustangs, draped in green and black, embody a rich tradition of spirited competition and academic excellence.
As soon as I saw the field, I fell in love. I was like, I know I want to play here. Like, I stepped on the field. I felt like I knew these guys, even though I didn't. They're like juniors and seniors, so they taught me, they told me about Morrisville and how good of a school it is. And I just fell in love with the environment, the atmosphere, and it just felt right.
This season, our teams have soared to remarkable heights, with 11 out of 13 squads earning spots in conference championship tournaments. Among our ranks, we celebrate one remarkable individual, named a SUNY Scholar Athlete, along with 32 students who have earned coveted spots on the SUNY Commissioner's List for academic excellence, and 36 recognized as United East Scholar Athletes.
Things that define success as a student athlete in Morrisville are definitely being able to push yourself. You have the coaching and the faculty is there to help you at all times, so being able to really initiate that conversation is really important, and I think can produce a lot of success in the field and in the classroom.
Our impact extends beyond the playing field. Our Mustangs actively engage in various community initiatives, demonstrating their commitment to service and camaraderie.
My first 2 years here, I was involved in SAC, so we set up different events around campus to raise money for the athletics programs. We did some can drives, we helped clean up the town, we volunteered with the elementary school, things like that.
Your support during March of the Mustangs enhances student experiences and fosters excellence both in academics and athletics. Stand behind Morrisville athletics today and be a part of the excitement.